Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is the question where we'll see which term of an AP is 78. AP is given. They have only said this is AP. We have to find which term is 78. So, let Tn be 78. What is A here? The first term is A. What is D? D is this one and this one. 8 minus 3, 5 is my D. Now, I can easily apply the formula here. I want to find N. What is N is my question. Tn is given 78. A we have 3. N minus 1, 5. 78, you can take this here. When you multiply this 5n minus 5, this will give you 75, bringing the 5 here. 5n, 80 is equal to 5n. We can easily find the value of n here. 5n is equal to 80. What is n? N is 80 by 5. 5 ones are 6. Therefore, n is 16. So, 16th term is 78. So, we can say which term is 78. T16 is equal to 78, or you can say 16th term is 78.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Same kind of the sum given in a different way. Find the number of terms. 7, 13, 19. The last term is given to me. Tn is the last term given. We have to find n. A we know 7. D is T2 minus T1. So 13 minus 7, we are going to get 6. We have to find the number of terms n. A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is 205. 7 plus n minus 1 into 6. 7 you can bring it over this side. Multiply this 6n minus 6. You are going to get 6 also can be taken over here. Plus 6. This will give me 205 minus 1, 6n. So, we are going to end up with the value 204 is equal to 6n. N is 204 by 6. So, 6 3s are and 6 4s are. N is equal to 34. So, number of terms are n. That is, n is 34. So, you can say here there are 34 terms.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this question, we have find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is given 38 and the 16th term is 73. They have given the 11th term is given 38 and 16th term is given 73. We have to find the 31st term. I had told you already, whenever T11, you can write 10D. Suppose if you got confused, you can apply this formula and you can find T11, A plus N is 11. So, T11 is nothing but A plus 10D, or directly if 11th term will have 1 less in D. So, 10D, we can directly put that. So, A, this is what is T11? 38 is equal to A plus 10D, or I can write it. This is my first equation. I will put. Second one given T16 is 73. T16 is A plus 15D is 73. This is my second equation. From 1 and 2, I can solve for A and D here. So I shall say here from 1 and 2, A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 15D is 73. I'll subtract. This will give me minus 5D and this is 35. So, D is 35 by 5, 7. Therefore, value of D we got 7. You can apply it in any of the equation to get the value of A here. From 1 I am taking here. A plus 10D is equal to 38. A is 38 minus 10D. A is 38 minus 10 into 7. So, what will be A? A is 38 minus 70 I am going to get, and this will give me minus 32. Therefore, A I got minus 32. We got the values of both A and D. Now, whatever is the required question, we can see and find that. So, we can say here A we got minus 32, D we got 7. We have to find this, which is A plus 30D. So, T31 is minus 32 plus 30 into 7. So, T31 is minus 32. This will give us 210. So, T31 will be 178. Therefore, T31 is 178 is our answer.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this question, in AP, an AP consists of 50 terms. That means what? N is given to me 50 terms. Then third term is given to be 12. According to question, you keep taking the things here. And the last term, that is Tn, which is the last term, that is 106. Even we can say the last term is 106 can be said here. Now, we have to find the 29th term here. So, Tn, n is 50. So, I can write the formula Tn, that is T50, and here Tn is nothing but T50, which is 106. Tn is nothing but T50, which is 106. A plus n is 50 minus 1D. So, this is 106. A plus 4090 or A plus 4090 is equal to 106 is my first equation. Next is T3, that is term 3 is 12. That is A plus 2D, which is equal to 12. Equation 2. So, from using 1 and 2, A plus 4090, which is equal to 106. A plus 2D, which is equal to 12. On subtraction, this will give me 47D. This is 94 here. So, we can find easily the value of D here. (47D) is equal to 94. D is 94 by 47. This will go by 2. 7 2s are 14. This will easily go by 2. D is equal to 2. Once we got the value of D, we can easily find the value of A. So from 2, a plus 2d is equal to 12. A is 12 minus 2d. A is 12 minus 2 into 2. A is 12 minus 4. A is equal to 8. So we got both the values here. D and A, both of them we got here. A is equal to 8, and this now we can just find the required question here. So I got here A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 2. We have to find 29th term here. T29 is nothing but A plus 28D. 8 plus 28 into 2. 8 plus 56. So T29 is 64. So the 29th term is 64 is the answer.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.